What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod, and I'm a full-time eBay and Poshmark seller. And today's video is going to be another bad Poshmark buying experience. Now, I've been selling on the Poshmark app since April, and I've always thought about becoming a Poshmark ambassador. It doesn't take much to become top rated on there, but I'm the type of person that always strives for the best. So for a while now, I've been considering becoming a Poshmark ambassador. And one of the things that you need to do to become a Poshmark ambassador is to leave a love note. And by leaving a love note, it means that you have to make a purchase on the Poshmark app. So the first time around that I tried to make a purchase, I actually made a video on that. So if you guys didn't catch that one, I'll drop that in the description and in the cards above. But long story short with that video is that the buyer just didn't take good enough pictures, and they definitely tried to lie about the overall condition of the shoes. So I ended up having to return the shoes. So basically I'm still not a Poshmark ambassador because I never made an official purchase. So this time around, instead of buying a pair of shoes that would cost about 80 bucks, I decided to just be a little more smarter with my money, and just make better business decisions. So I went with a pair of $10 basketball shorts so that I can work out in them, because I work out about 6 times a week, so I can never have enough, workout clothes. So this is exactly how the shorts came. As you guys can see, the label was on there, but the box was already broken. And I highly doubt, it got damaged in the mail. There was a little hole right here and over here, then that possibly could have happened in the mail. But I'm pretty sure the seller shipped out these shorts in this same box just like this. So once I saw this, it was immediately like a red flag, and I'm thinking to myself, here we go again. But of course I wanted to be a little more optimistic, because I'm thinking it possibly could have gotten damaged in the mail. So, pulling out the shorts, there's some tissue paper, and I'm not sure if you guys saw my last video where I was talking about how to make $1,000 a month on Poshmark. I don't waste money with tissue paper. I get all of my shipping supplies for free off of UPS.com and from my eBay store when they send me the coupon every quarter, and I use that for tape and other shipping supplies. So I don't waste money on tissue paper. So this didn't really excite me or anything. I think this is a waste of money. So I went into the box, of course, and of course I'm feeling around, and I pull out the shorts, and as soon as I touch the shorts, keep in mind I have these same shorts in gray, so as soon as I touched them, I knew something was wrong. And if you guys look at these shorts, it's nothing wrong with these shorts. They're clean, they're good condition, no holes or anything like that. But the main thing is, these are not the shorts that I ordered. I ordered a pair of shorts that had a Nike spell out on it, and the check was underneath. So I'll show you guys exactly what the listing looked like. And of course I got rid of the seller's information, because I'm not trying to bash this seller. I mean, in somewhat I am bashing the seller, because this is bullshit. But at the end of the day, I want this to be more of a teaching lesson, and hopefully inspire people that want to be Poshmark sellers to just do good business and just be honest. Because I view selling online as a privilege, because I was able to quit my job and do this full time, and the amount of freedom that I get from being my own boss is priceless. So I view this as a privilege. But I noticed that there are a lot of sellers online, whether it's on Poshmark or on eBay or one of the other dozens of platforms that you can sell on. A lot of these people are using these apps as just a way to, swindle people, try to steal some money, or just try to get over on someone. And I'm kind of fed up with that. I think it's wrong. I think it's ridiculous, really, because every site has a return policy. So especially with Poshmark, you're not even getting the money until I accept the order. So if you thought that these were gonna be the shorts that I was gonna accept when they're not the shorts that I ordered,
congratulations, you played yourself.
Really did play yourself. So for me, I think this is just ridiculous. Bad enough I ordered these shorts on Saturday, and then they came last Saturday. So another situation where I had to wait exactly a week for my order. And I'm not gonna say that you have to be like me and try to ship your things out on the same day or the next day. This is my full-time job. I ship and I buy and sell things all day long. So for me, shipping something out the next day after it's been ordered, or sometimes the same day, is common, because it's built into my day. But for the common seller, the part-time seller, I understand if it takes you a couple days to ship it out. You might not have the time. But if you buy something and it takes a week to get there, that's ridiculous. And if you're not able to ship something out within at least 2 days, 3 days, the latest, I mean, honestly, selling things online probably isn't for you, because you have to remember there are sites like Amazon where they have Amazon Prime, and you know, Walmart is offering same-day shipping or overnight shipping. So there's so many different platforms now where people can get things that they really want basically overnight, that if you take too long, you're automatically gonna put yourself in a bad situation with that buyer. And that's exactly what happened here. Only difference is with me, I was just trying to be a little more patient because I did some more research and I saw that the seller's average shipping time is 3 days. So I was kind of expecting them to take some time, but I wasn't expecting to get it a whole week later. But that's not even part of the problem. The main problem is that they literally tried to switch out the shorts and send me a completely different pair of shorts. Same size, everything, that, like I said, it's clean, so that's not the issue. The issue is that these are a completely different pair of shorts. So drop a comment if you guys are Poshmark ambassadors and if you think it's worth it, because at this point I don't really want to keep, you know, buying things on Poshmark. I'm just gonna do the best that I can do and be a good seller and, you know, offer a good service for people that are looking for quality products. But in terms of buying things online, I don't think it's for me. I'm 2 for 2 already, and at this point I'm not really trying to keep going back and forth. And I mean, it's cool because I got content and I could put out videos for you guys, but at the end of the day, you know, it's a little ridiculous for me. But knowing the type of person that I am, I'm probably still gonna try and make another purchase so that I can be a Poshmark ambassador, just so that I can have that feeling of knowing that I'm at the highest level that you can be on Poshmark. So like I said, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I usually don't just rant like this. I usually try to put out, you know, some good information for you guys so that we can all be successful online sellers. But you know, things like this happen. People, you know, they try to swindle you. Look at this shit. She even included a thank you card, but thank you for your purchase. Thank you for it. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this one, smash the like button, share this one so that more people can see it, and that we can just kind of get rid of some of these shady sellers and just make the Poshmark community just better overall. Because I mean, we got to get rid of these people that's trying to swindle people online. It's not good for business, because the more and more people that's doing stuff like this, they're going to start detracting people, good customers. They're going to start being, you know, nervous, and they're not going to want to buy things online. And that goes the same for Poshmark, eBay, Mercari. You know, they might just stick with Amazon because, you know, that's as safe as it gets at this point when it comes to buying things online. So drop a comment, let me know if being a Poshmark ambassador is worth it. And if you guys are Poshmark ambassadors, I'd love to hear from you as well. And I'll just see you guys in the next one. So, peace.